Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Today we're going to learn about how to add or change or removing a cloth in a picture using image in painting in Stable Diffusion. First, click image to image in Stable Diffusion and then select in Paint. From this screen, you just add the picture that you want to change. I generate this for picture using Stable Diffusion. So we're going to change this girl clothes. So how to do that? First, we going to drag this and put it here. We have this picture. Then we need to click this. This is a pen tool, larger or forward according to your needs, and then block the thing that you want to change. In the example, we're going to change our sweater into something else. Okay, now we need to edit this first. Resize mode, I suggest you to just crop and resize because it's not gonna create a new part if the size that you decide is not the same. Mask mode in pen mask or in pen out mask. In pen mask it means that the mask that's gonna be processed original whole picture. Example method. I suggest you use the same size with your original picture because it's gonna be cropped because we decide to crop. Resize and fill usually bad because it's gonna fill random things on the picture that are empty. So what important is the noising strain. This is gonna decide whether you have more of the original picture or new picture. So in this example, if you want to keep the original picture, you should decide or set it under 0.6 and 0.4. Between that, above that, it's gonna make a very large variation. In example, since we're going to change a lot, for example, we're going to change the color first. So we're going to ask maybe to be a blue sweater because it's not blue, right? Let's generate this. So yeah, it's changing into blue sweater. We could also add negative like coarse quality and low quality and cartoon. So it's not even a cartoon. You could have masterpiece here and best quality. And generate again. Yeah, it generates blue sweater. We could also change it into red sweater. This time we only change color. And it's changing. We could also change, like sportwear and stuff, write whatever you want. It's gonna changing the sportwear. And you could generate, also add like police uniform if you want. And it's gonna generate police uniform. If you feel like it's great and you want to process with your picture, you could actually send image generation to image in Paint tab. So you remove the picture, you just click clear here, and maybe you want to add something else. Like example, maybe you want to add a hat here, like a police hat, for example. I don't think it's gonna be great, but right, it's bad. Maybe we add there a little big sense. Yeah, not bad. You could actually add a lot of this and let it decide where it's possible to add that. But make sure you also decide where to put it. Maybe you could add earrings, like star earrings and stuff in here. Earrings. Okay, we add earrings here. Okay, guys. Next, for the other image, for example, we're going to add this guy. It's the same process. You could block this thing Visual, you could change the color like red suit. It's not generate red suit that I mean. This is red. You could also add this thing, the explanation. Red jacket maybe? I don't know. Is it called jacket? Yeah. Or maybe you want it to like make it crazy like Iron Man costume if you want. You could do that, Iron Man costume. You could fix the hand if you want, or just simply generate more, or simply add here. So you could generate again because this is not part of the block. No, it's fine. You could add more here. Or you could just go send it to Inpainting and prepare this. You could reduce this. Now it's repaired. Next, we're going to learn how to remove clothes, not changing them. So another example here. It's pretty dangerous to do this because you don't want to generate a nude character. It could, but to remove things, you could just use masterpiece, best quality, but you could remove, like, if we want to remove the jacket here, and adding jacket here, it's gonna remove the jacket. No, so it's not wearing jacket, right? Generate more. Or we could increase this so that you remove the jacket completely. The more strong the denoising strength, the more it's gonna remove thing. Yeah, it's removing the jacket now. And yeah, I think that's that. Let's try other picture. Maybe this, what we can add to her. I want to remove some cleavage because it's going to be a formal thing. We could actually do that, Remove the cleavage. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, guys, I think I hope that helped edit your picture and stuff. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.